What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mod Lab. Today we are going to be installing this MSD intake manifold on the Corvette. We got this from American Heritage Performance. It is already ported. It is already ready to go. It's a two-piece intake manifold. They already put it all together for us. So now all we have to do is install it. So what you get in the box here is, if you want to run your stock throttle body, you get one of these. Otherwise, you can upgrade to a bigger throttle body, but that was out of our price range at the time. That'll be a later mod that we do. But moving on, you also get this from American Heritage. It shows that some of the stuff that they use, their products, are on the fastest 427 that goes 8.9 seconds in a quarter, which is pretty cool. And then they have a couple stickers from American Heritage. And then you get the Atomic Air Force MSD sticker. And then you get the instructions that come with it. So this is what it looks like when you order it off of American Heritage Performance. You can choose to have these shaved off and have it look just like a stock intake manifold. I did not go that route. I wanted everything to show. And like I said, it also has been ported. So here is where they ported, right in the inside of here. And then if you look, looks like they did a little bit of porting here to run a bigger throttle body if you want. Also, in the box, you get intake manifold gaskets. I'm pretty sure you also get a throttle body gasket. And it also comes with hardware. So what I gotta do is I gotta take off these two covers, the cold air intake. I gotta take off that fuel line that goes to the fuel rail, and the bolts for the intake manifold, and unplug a couple sensors, and we should be good. Alright guys, we just got the intake manifold bolted on and everything. No check engine light yet. It's probably going to need to be tuned. As of right now it seems fine, but most likely it's going to need a tune, readjust all the air and fuel and everything, since it can breathe better. One thing that we didn't add in that I'll be doing is trimming the Corvette covers, because they won't fit with this intake manifold, so you just have to trim them a little bit. If you go on American Heritage Facebook page, they show how to trim them. I think they have a video on it as well. But as far as the video, that's going to end it for today. Make sure you like, share, and also subscribe. Peace.